there's this mindset that if you do want to be a disruptive influence in any space and you want to change the paradigm, you have to actually do everything in opposition to what's currently being done. And I don't think that should be the case, because what often happens is you've got components that work, but there's a recipe that you need to put together to make it better, utilising what's already there. So we saw that the BPAY collective made sense. There was this universal payment acceptance that the banks had initiated, and it's the first time the banks had really worked cooperatively to say, we will all accept BPAY. So we wanted to find out, how could we get inside that gate? And how do we become part of that? How do we offer that to our customers? Because we don't then need to go to any biller. BPAY's already there. So that was a process of a lot of exploration, a lot of discovery, a lot of accreditation requirements, a lot of compliance. And eventually our partners Indu sponsored us into the BPAY scheme, which saw us become what they call a payer institution member, the first of our kind in our space to become a payer institution member, which we're very proud of. So that means we're able to offer BPAY as part of the BPAY scheme, and we can allow our customers now to pay any bill that offers BPAY.